Moderate mag. 4.4 earthquake, Benishangul-Gumuz, 152 kilometers west of Bahir Dar, Amhara Region, Ethiopia, on Monday, May 8, 2023 at 2:36 p.m. local time, according to the USGS, United States Geological Survey reported. Updated, May 8, 2023 12:53 Greenwich Mean Time 14 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, new, seismograms, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in or near Ethiopia, Benishangul-Gumuz, Amhara Region, Addis Ababa. Moderate magnitude 4.4 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth. This quake is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.